What is data science? Why is it trending in the market? In simple words, data science is the field of study focused on extracting insights from data collected. These insights collected from data analysis helps organizations make informed and profitable decisions, which leads to massive growth of business. Does data science have scope? The answer is yes. Here's why. Since 2019, hiring in the data science industry has increased by 46%. In fact, there's a major shortage of data scientists due to the lack of skilled professionals in the field and high surge in demand. Data science has been called the sexiest job of the 21st century by Harvard Business Review because data scientists, data analysis, data engineers, data architects are in high demand. What do these data professionals do? They make predictions and provide solutions. Data professionals mainly focus on collection and exploration of data. They identify patterns, trends, make predictions based on it, and offer solutions. All of this helps organizations improve their process and make profits. Getting the data science certification can be a game changer in 2021, as it can land you a six-figure job. Now is the right time to jump in and make the most of this in-demand profession. Now that you learn about the sexiest job of the 21st century, consider attending the Data Science Master Program conducted by Sprintzeal with expert instructors. Enroll today.